everyone, this is Miwa and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share my experiences in Ali Cavanaugh's artist community called the Alligator community and how it has influenced my artistic journey. For those who may not know, Ali Cavanaugh is a talented artist known for her vibrant and emotive work. She has a unique ability to capture those subtle emotions and a dreamlike quality in her pieces, which I absolutely admire. Along with artists like Agnes Cecile, Christian Hook, Anya Divine, and Florian Nicole, she has been a huge inspiration for me. I joined Ali's community on Patreon in June 2023, eager to absorb as much knowledge as I could. Before that, I painted a piece titled Water, which was a portrait of my son that I completed in early 2023. Within the Alligator community, we had bi-weekly challenges, I think it was, set by Ali, covering topics like self-portraits, still life, or dance. Participants were encouraged to create new paintings or share past works that related to the theme. I loved the interaction we had on Discord, where we could post our artwork and use relevant hashtags on Instagram. Sometimes Ali would feature our work on her Alligator Instagram account, which was an exciting boost. Another great aspect was the monthly videos she would upload on Patreon app. In these videos, she would discuss selected paintings, highlighting the strengths without any negative critique. Hearing Ali say things like, "It's soft, subtle, it has a playful stroke, it's a cool painting," about my work was so fun to listen to, especially coming from an artist I find so inspirational. One piece I created after joining her community was titled Tilted, which I painted in July 2023. To this day, it's one of my favorite paintings. When I showed it at a workshop with Kellogg's Loop, which is another inspirational artist, watercolor artist, the first thing he said was, "It reminds me of, who was that? Ali Cavanaugh," which made me so happy because I love her work. What I found particularly valuable was the sense of community among artists who share similar struggles and joys in painting. The support and encouragement were uplifting, making it easier to navigate our artistic journeys together. However, I eventually found myself feeling overwhelmed with the amount of information being shared. I have a tendency to try to grasp every small detail in sorting through notes, and it became a bit too much for me. So in September 2023, I made the difficult decision to step back from this community. I wanted to focus on using what I had learned so far without the pressure of not wanting to miss out on the challenges. The key takeaways from my time in Ali's community from the Alligator included a specific process for digitally altering reference photos to identify key focus areas in my paintings. 2, the correct application of watercolor ground, or some people call watercolor gessos. And 3, the use of color combinations that create that ethereal quality I admire in her work. I've also had the opportunity to attend workshops by amazing artists like Agnes Cecile, Kellogg's Loop, and Anya Divine. If Ali ever hosts a workshop, I will definitely be there. If you're an artist or just starting your art journey, I encourage you to find communities like Ali's where you can learn, share, and grow together. Thanks for joining me today, and if you'd like to keep following my art journey, make sure to subscribe. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.